What's up, you guys? It's your girl Natural BB here, and I'm back with another video. So y'all, for today's video I will be giving you guys a review on the Neewer ring light. I've been waiting for the longest to get this light, y'all, so I'm very excited to be sharing this with you guys. Okay, so y'all, yeah, I'm going to be unboxing it, and I'm going to be also putting it up so that you guys can see what it's looking like with me recording it. So if you guys are interested in all of that, because I'm interested, I'm very interested. What? I'm excited. I'm very excited. So without further ado, guys, let's just get straight into this video.
Larry baby, oh. Baby na 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 na, baby na 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 na, yaga. African bumper got me shaking, you got me shaking. African lady bend and drop it, she bend and drop it. My girl, she want phantom, give me phantom, give me phantom. Yeah, my African ginger, give me my love, give me my love. Yeah, my girl, she want phantom, give me phantom, give me phantom. Yeah, my African ginger, give me my love, give me my love. Yeah. Replay it, when I do it all again and replay it. You pray that our love never dies, baby. You pray delay it, baby. Do it all again with no delay. My girl, you're my African ginger. My girl, she want phantom, give me phantom, give me phantom. Yeah, my African ginger, give me my love, give me my love. Yeah, my girl, she want phantom, give me phantom, give me phantom. Yeah, my African ginger, give me my love, give me my love. Yeah. Girl, I say I hustle every day, for your love I make the papers every day, Me, they run the game, baba, me no shade, And if you like the game, we play the game. Enemies come, fire burn. Enemies come, fire burn. Shoot the bulls and scatter run. Shoot the bulls and scatter run. I say, baby girl, please, baby, don't stop it. Baby, just whine and drop it for me. I say, baby girl, please, baby, don't stop it. Baby, just whine and drop it on me. My girl, she want phantom, give me phantom, give me phantom. Yeah, my African ginger, give me my love, give me my love. Yeah, my girl, she want phantom, give me phantom, give me phantom. Yeah, my African ginger, give me my love, give me my love. Yeah, I say, baby girl, please. Oh na na, my African. Oh na 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 na. I say, baby girl, please. Oh na na. My African.
so this is what the ring light is looking like now. Like, I think it's super pretty. I do think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this. I have the little, so guys, I have the little remote thingy right here. I haven't, you know, I guess programmed it to my phone yet, so I'm not able to take any pictures right now. But y'all, this is gorgeous. I think I'm going to enjoy myself recording now because my light is popping. So
Said that you moved on. Where did I go wrong? I tried to make you stay, but I guess my love wasn't enough. Was it me or was it you, love? 'Cause I'm